Hi, do you sometimes feel lost on what strategy you should be using for an uptrending stock? Hey, this is Lily, and I'm a retiree trader in options. I provide training, especially to the retirees, to help them to become independent, self-sufficient, to enjoy their lives so that they do not depend on their children. So how do we know that the stock is trending up? We know it when the highs are higher and the lows are higher as well. Once this is determined that the stock is indeed trending up, you have two strategies, either buy a call or sell a put. To buy a call or sell a put really depends on what you really want. Do you love the stock? And do you have enough cash on hand? If you love the stock and have enough cash on hand, but you don't like the current market price, what you can do is you can sell a put. And when you sell a put, you collect premium upfront. And hopefully the stock price will drop down to your strike price for sell put position, and you can get the stock assigned to you, and therefore you can acquire the stock, which is what you want. But if you love the stock and the current market price is just right for you, however you are short on cash, what you can do is buy a call and lock in the current market price. And when the price eventually moves higher to resistance price, you can actually exercise the call position if you have enough cash on hand and if you still want to own the stock at that time. However, if you do not want to own the stock at that point in time, even though you have enough cash, you can actually close the position by selling the contract off and you can collect the premium. I hope I've given you great value in this video, and if you like what I share, please subscribe to my channel and like it as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.